It's your girl Brink. So I'm actually shooting this video like Sundays in advance. So the video that you guys just seen literally yesterday was the video from the previous Sunday, and the video that I'm doing right now will be the video for this coming Sunday, which is, I want to say, what is today? I think it's the 23rd. So you guys will see this video this coming Sunday. I'm making it early on a Monday because I'm starting to meal prep more, you guys, so that
Mommy, you and Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
yes.
You and Mommy lizard.
I'm not a lizard.
Mommy, you and Mommy lizard.
I'm not an orange lizard. I'm not a lizard. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Is that my mommy?
Aww. That's such a good food. Alright, guys. So, I'm actually making these in advance because... What was I talking about? Oh, because I'm meal prepping more. So, and I'm meal prepping more to get into the habit of not...
Bruh.
I'm meal prepping more to get in the habit of not eating out so much. Like I see the weight leaving. I see the weight leaving my waist again because you guys know my lowest weight was 234. My lowest was 234. Last year when I started this, I was at 265, 267-ish. I was really close to that 270 mark. Do you mind? I was real close to that 270 mark.
Bruh.
Like I was saying, you guys, I was real close to that 270 mark, and then I had lost up until 234 being my lowest. But then I started eating out more again, and I started slacking on my exercise, and it went right on back up, you guys. So we're gonna try this again. Like, losing weight is a lot of hard work, and consistency is key. So my point in meal prepping is like, are you okay? Can you stop smelling me?
Okay.
Thank you.
I want to smell you.
Thank you. So my part in meal prepping, you guys, and I'm going to try to do it at least twice a week. This meal was actually supposed to be made yesterday, but I really wasn't in the eating mood yesterday. So I just kind of ordered a Subway sandwich and ate that. But this meal was supposed to be made yesterday, so I'm making it today, so it'll be ready for this coming Sunday. TK, if you don't stop making all that noise, when you supposed to be watching Sonic? Jeez. So I don't know if I've made this before, you guys. I think I have made this on the channel before, but we are going to do some garlic butter steak bites and asparagus. I think I did it with zucchini noodles the last time, but this time we're going to do it with some asparagus, and I'm going to meal prep it so you guys can see my meal prepping, and you guys have already gotten hip to some of my juices that I've been posting as shorts. I'm going to post another one. Actually, today is a short video, so you guys can try that one as well if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. Other than that, you guys, let's just go ahead, jump into this video and get started. I am making TK some fresh chicken drumsticks as well. So let's get started, y'all. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is marinate our steak. So for that, you need some lemon juice. And I should have actually did this yesterday had I remembered. I don't really measure. I just kind of go by like how much meat I'm using. So Worcestershire sauce.
Seriously, mommy.
I pronounced it all wrong. Been pronouncing it wrong all my life. Don't judge me, y'all. I don't even know if I have any A1. Last time I threw A1 in this, and it was freaking so good, y'all. Some olive oil, some hot sauce, y'all know how I am with hot sauce. And then if you want to add your seasonings, you can. I'm going to use some pepper. Steak and Chop by Weber. And I think I am actually out of A1. So this is going to taste a little bit different from the first time that I made it. Some garlic powder. Some garlic salt. Yes, baby.
Whose hat this is?
That's mine.
I like you hat, mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Aww.
Last but not least, y'all, some slap your mama.
Mommy,
And then, let me double check and see if I got any.
look at me.
What are you doing, kitty? You're so adorable.
I love you hat.
I love you.
I love you hat.
You're so goofy. Nope, I don't have any A1 sauce,
I
y'all.
love you hat.
Another thing I should have put on the
You're
list.
so pretty, mommy.
Thank you, baby. For the DoorDash got it picked up. You're so goofy. And then we're just gonna mix all of that together, y'all.
Did you miss it?
Yes, I mixed it. And I'm honestly not even gonna be able to put this on y'all for another 30 minutes because, like I said, I should have marinated it. I should have marinated it when I got up the first time at freaking 11 o'clock, but I was not thinking. I was still
Is that a
sleepy.
little one?
Yes. And then we're gonna put
What little is it? Mommy.
Alright, y'all. So now that we got that, and if y'all see my ashy knees, I am sorry. I do not moisturize after I take showers, y'all. So, just go ahead and get these steak bites all in the seasoning until it's like fully coated. Alright, y'all can see. Just leave it like that. Put that in the sink. And then I already cleaned the top off. Put this top on. And then I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator. So now we're just going to go ahead and sit this in the refrigerator and let it cook.
Bruh.
Seriously,
until
mommy.
it's ready to- I said let it cook. We're going to put this in the refrigerator, y'all, and let it marinate for 30 minutes. And then we'll take it out and let it cook. And if you guys want to see the chicken before it goes into the oven, this is what the chicken is looking like. It's only 5 pieces, 5 drumsticks. He really don't need to eat all of that. He really doesn't even eat all of that. So that's like perfect. So y'all, I will be back after it's time to put this on. All right, y'all, it is now time to put the beef on. I don't even know why I came back to do this little cut scene, because literally this little portion of the video is going to be like me just throwing it in the pot. And I'm throwing it in the pot with the marinade and everything because I wanted to cook in the juices. So with the marinade, and I'm going to grab a top to put on top of this.
Oh, wait. You just wanted
A hoe. Think I can help you.
the whole you one.
Watch it stop being too big.
Bruh.
But it's gonna go on anyway. So we're just gonna let that cook, y'all. And I will be back when it's time to go ahead and start putting everything together. Next, we have to do our asparagus. Asparagus does not take that long to cook. I'm literally going to put that on in the next couple minutes. Well, literally like the next 15 or 30 minutes. And then everything should be done within a full 40 minutes. So I'll be back, y'all. All right, guys, we are going to go ahead and cook our asparagus. I have 3 bags of this asparagus. Literally a lot. TK, I would appreciate it if you would stop bumping against the wall like that.
Is that asparagus?
Yeah.
Aww.
You like asparagus?
Now, anyways, we are going to just kind of let these cook on their own, you guys. I will be back to show you guys the final product. Alright, since TK was so adamant about taking his plate and starting to chow down, I just wanted to show you guys the end result of his food. Of course, some drumsticks. He has some mandarin oranges, some cheese sticks, and some Pringles to add to it. Just to give him a little bit extra variety. And these are literally all stuff that he's going to eat. Yeah, guys, I did take my wig off. It was getting a lot. Okay, baby, you can take your food back. Alright, y'all. So, asparagus. Pretty good. I'm actually glad that I wound up just going ahead and cooking all 3 bags, because as soon as this started to shrink, like, it's like the perfect amount. And you guys, my plan is to meal prep and eat this pretty much at least for the next 4 days, if I can. So I mean, I think I could do it. I think I could do it. I usually bow out and want some restaurant food by like Wednesday. But I'm going to stay strong. Stay strong, you guys. And I'm going to keep it up. Let me just taste the piece. Is this done? It actually is done. I just never realized how good asparagus was. So I'm going to be back, you guys, once I make my plate. And then show you guys some meal prepping. Alrighty, guys. This is my end product. I was able to make 2 meal prep bowls out of it, but this is pretty much it. I did taste a piece of the steak. Oh my god, it's delicious. I bought A1 sauce. I had it dashed here, and I'm not even going to use it, you guys, because the sauce from the steak is just that freaking flavorful and bomb. You guys, if you decide to do this recipe, let me know what you guys think. And tune in to next Sunday recipe, because, oh my god. Tune in to next Sunday, y'all, because it will be going down again. Until next time, guys. Bye.